I had necrotizing fasciitis, which is a really bad infection, and I went through several surgeries.
Alden had necrotizing fasciitis, and you were right, that's a very bad infection, soft tissue infection, that basically, the other term that most people think about is flesh-eating bacteria, right?
Yes, exactly.
And that basically affected your entire arm, yet lost all the soft tissue.
Yes.
And in order to save your life, the surgeon had to debride your bicep muscles and your brachialis muscle, and along with that remove the radial nerve in the debridement, which caused basically you couldn't, when I met you, you couldn't really bend your elbow.
Not at all, actually.
And your wrist was dropped, correct?
Yes.
And you couldn't raise your finger.
Not at all. And now I can.
And show your elbow. That's right. And so what I did for Mr. Alden, and I think along with other nerve injury patients, interesting that your injury is very similar to someone who had a brachial plexus injury, loss of elbow flexion, right, and a radial nerve palsy, wrist drop. I moved the back muscle, your back muscle, the latissimus muscle, and I put it forward to bend your elbow for elbow flexion. And then also I did tendon transfer in order for you to regain your wrist extension and finger extension. And did a bunch of scar release along with that, correct? Revision, yeah. So now from 2019 to now, you back to work.
Back to normal.
No, and wow, what a transformation.
Enjoying life more than I did before. I honestly have a reason to live because of you. So.
Oh, thank you very much.
You know?
And what did you say now, since the last tendon transfer, you told me you ate steak?
I can cut a steak now, you know, without having to turn my whole body to cut it. So
right.
I can literally catch a football if I wanted to.
Yes, you are cleared to catch a football. Isn't
Nice.
it amazing thing, little things that we sometimes take for granted in life.
Oh yeah, 100%.
And after you lose that ability and regain it back, it's such a powerful joy and powerful story.
100%.
I just want to share with my patient and let people know that there are reconstructive nerve and hope. You're right. Hope. That's wonderful. Do you have anything else that you want to say?
Thank you, 100%. Thank you to you, Harvard UCLA, and God.
Yeah, you did amazing.
You did amazing. Thank you, doctor.